distracting, you psycho. What do you mean, why am I so distracting?
Like, why are you still getting so distracted? Stay on task. Imagine when there's somebody freaking out during the math regions and you can't focus. Oh, now. I had to get in the mode. Pens and pencils, pens and pencils. Are my friends, are my friends.
I think you should break into interpretive dance.
You watch.
Okay.
Wait. A pen and pencil dance?
Yeah.
Whoa. As you know, the pencil dive in the pool is like. It's like.
Tell the story of pens and pencils.
And the pens, since they have a little things where you click it, they go. Like this. So, pens and pencils. Are my friends. Are my friends. Okay, stop.
Okay, we really have to study Alexis.
Alright, well, can you stop taking me to my